Hi everyone, Happy New Year. It's Daniel Kakmak, one half of the Kakmak brothers at Rain and Horn Willoughby. Like I said, Happy New Year. 2025 is officially upon us. I hope everyone had an awesome Christmas break and ready to go again. We've already seen a bit of an uptick in the property market, but what I wanted to talk about today was just how far the Willoughby market came for 2024. Now that the year is well and truly behind us, if you're into key statistics, I'll run through a few things with you. Willoughby did see 148 sales last year in 2024. Now these are non-strata titled sales, so houses and semis and duplexes. Now that was up 26% from 2023, where there was only 117 sales. So definitely there was a massive increase in turnover, which I think everyone kind of felt. Interestingly enough, we had a bump in the average sale price as well. So calendar year to date, Willoughby was sitting at about 3.733 for 2024, and in 2023 it was at 3.590. So it's just under a 4% increase. The irony of it is, or the interesting thing to note, is that that typically happens when stock levels are down. However, we saw an increase in stock levels and the prices still went up. Now that's obviously very comforting if you're looking at selling, not as comforting if you've been looking to buy into the market. Of the 148 properties that sold in Willoughby, 121 of them were auctioned, right? And 104 of those either sold at auction or prior, giving Willoughby a clearance rate of 85% for the year. So a very strong and very bullish market for Willoughby in 2024. To the best of our knowledge and our records, there was 19 properties that sold off market last year. And when we look back into the last quarter, so sort of the spring rush and into Christmas, that's when a lot of folks were feeling as though the market may have been coming off a little bit. So we wanted to regroup and calibrate how we performed in quarter four last year to quarter four 2023. So we saw 37 sales in the back end of last year with an average sale price of 3.77. And in quarter four of 2023, we saw 33 sales. So again, there was a 12.1% bump in the amount of homes coming to market, and the average sale price actually jumped up 10%, whereas in quarter four of 2023, it was just over 3.4 million. I'm throwing a lot of numbers out here, so I know that it may be a little bit hard to decipher, but the crux of the story being last year saw an uplift in homes coming to market and prices still maintained some strength. If anything, they went up a little bit more. With rate cuts tipped to kick on from as early as February, if that's the latest, I think, but that could probably be stretched out again. We're definitely expecting a strong year. However, at the moment, stock levels are very, very low. So we're speaking to a few people that are looking at taking advantage of that now. We have a couple of wonderful homes coming up in Willoughby over the next few weeks. If you wanted to have a chat about your property goals, please feel free to give us a call. If not, we'll catch you on the next video.